Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley, and today we have Miss Ashia Williams with us. Miss Ashia is a native of Indiana, but currently resides in LA. She's a graduate of Howard University with a major in chemistry and has worked in the financial services and pharmaceutical industry. She is a dog mom to a Cavapoo and the aunt of 15 nieces and nephews. And today we're going to be discussing how trading correlates with your financial goals. Now let's get into this. Okay, Ashia, what resources or strategies would you recommend for someone staying up to date with market trends and improving their trading skills over time?
Definitely recommend you to subscribe to Bloomberg or even watch the Bloomberg Report. You can watch it on TV. I don't think you need cable. If you have a smart TV, they have the Bloomberg channel on there. So that is very important. I highly suggest, just like a trainer. A trainer wouldn't be a trainer without a gym membership, So one of the resources that I tell every trader that they need is TradingView. And that's how you can really analyze the market and look at, what your markups are when you're marking up the market and doing a technical analysis as to the support and resistance zones. You really want to have TradingView so that can save those charts. And then it helps with your confidence, because when you set your chart up and then you come back, a month later and you realize the trade went exactly in the direction that you said it was going to go, it's going to be like, I really am understanding this. I really do know how to read the market. There's also a Barone's report that comes out that you can subscribe to as well. And those are the three major ones that I would say to look at. You can look at Yahoo Finance to find out what big news is happening. But do understand that news doesn't 100% change the market. It just helps to expedite the move. So like we've seen when COVID happened, the markets were at all-time highs back then. And we've seen it drop, in the market. I think oil went below zero, which was so unheard of, But we all knew, most traders who were advanced, we all knew that was coming. We didn't know that COVID was going to be the scenario that, helped to expedite that move. But we all knew that the market had to come back down. So that is one of the things that I would highly suggest that people leverage and use, is TradingView. And then honestly, get underneath someone who can teach you about the market so you don't have to reinvent the wheel. There's so many experts out there, there's some scammers out there, but it's a lot of experts who can really teach you about the market and help you, be successful in it. So, yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing that with us.
Subscribe to my channel to learn more about probate real estate, financial literacy, and generational wealth planning.